We were just having shrimp. The shrimp is still frozen. It's obviously too frozen because he just started putting his foot up and he's shivering. And he's shaking and he's puffing up. And he's all puffed out. Poor Seagull. That was a little too frozen. He's excited, gobbling him down really, really fast. We're gonna have to wait until they thaw a little bit better, Seagull. You can totally see that you're puffed out and everything, buddy. We're gonna have to wait till they thaw a little bit better. Do you want to hang out here for? It's gonna take a good 20 minutes. They can't be that frozen, Seagull. We gotta wait till they thaw. We're excited about having shrimp. Julie here. Seagull kept on, I was taking some pictures. Seagull kept on getting it from Julie. But Julie did get one piece. Seagull, we're gonna have to wait here for a little bit. I hope you don't run off and not come back, because I did buy these so I could share them with you. But the sun is really warm right now, so it's not gonna take too long before these are thawed enough to where they're not hard. They're like hard right now. Like super hard. The sun is nice and warm, so it should be thawing pretty soon, Seagull. We just can't have them for a little bit. No, you can't have the whole bag. You're not having the whole bag because that's mine also. It cost me. It was supposed to be $6.98, and it raised to $7.98 by the time I went and got it. And the pops were $5.98 the other day, and they raised to $6.81 overnight, or over 2 days. It was a couple days ago that I got that other one. So it cost me a couple extra bucks. But I just got my June money, or at least the first check. So we're having shrimp. And I'm hoping that Seagull will be able to wait long enough without running off, so that by the time they thaw, he'll still be around to have some. Seagull, we gotta wait till they thaw a little bit better. Trust me on this. You were just puffing up and shaking your leg and having a hard time because they were too frozen. We gotta wait for a little bit. Seagull, we gotta wait for a little bit. Those are mine. Mine. Thank you, Seagull. It's gonna take a little bit for them to thaw, buddy. Look at Julie. Julie still has her little dent on her head. Like there's something up. You okay, Julie? She also looks like her chest is kind of puffed out. We're gonna have shrimp in just a little bit, you guys. Do you want shrimp? We're getting excited for shrimp, huh? We're getting excited for shrimp? The crow is even over here. There's the crow. He wanted some, Seagull was chasing him. Yeah, this is like rock hard. Down at the tail, it's starting to thaw a little bit. But it's definitely not thawed, it's just bendable. It's still pretty frozen. You ready? Ready, Seagull? Who's gonna get it? I know it's gonna be Seagull. Jewely barely had 2 steps. Oh, what are you doing, Seagull? What are you doing? What are you doing, Seagull? He's gonna go attack the crow. Look at the look on Seagull's face. He's like, everything is mine. Everything is mine, he says. Hey, Seagull. You're being a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. He's ready. He's like, this thing is mine. It is so mine. Look at this. He's ready. He's ready. Ready? Good job. Good job. It's starting to be able to see. It didn't even take too long. See, well, this one is kind of ready. Good job. Ready? Good job. Good job, Seagull. See how that patience paid off? Good job. Good boy. He still looks pretty puffed up. Good boy, Seagull.